Sì. Questo è bello.
You can't beat them. China. Got you filming. Muchas gracias. And it has to be said, Stuart's new favourite phrase is
sautéed vegetables.
Sautéed vegetables. It's now about 11:30 a.m. We're about 9k into our walk for today, walking about 23 kilometres. There's eucalyptus trees around as well, which adds to the scent, which is really lovely. Yeah, so got about 3.5 hours more walking to do today, plus breaks. We're about 14 kilometres from our destination, Sigüeiro, and it's hot. It's going to be one of the hottest days of the year in the whole of Spain. It's hot, but not only hot.
Not too bad.
It's humid, which is the worst bit, and
Yeah.
I'm dripping again.
Hello, Pedrito. Sí, siéntese, siéntese.
we're making good progress today. We've got less than 2 hours of walking. You can see it's just really beautiful tree coverage. It all reminds me a bit of Spirited Away, the Japanese anime film. And then also we've seen so many hydrangeas today as well, which is, they feature in that film quite a lot.